This is the border now. We're entering Switzerland. Hi from a campground close to Genova. Today we're heading to the Swiss Alps, but first a coffee and some breakfast. And I have the most amazing view. Let me show you. Wow. And for breakfast we're having tuna, some salads, and some bread and some egg. The drone is charging in the sun, and the Honda is just chilling. What a view! And see you on the road. Alright, let's leave this place, enjoying the view one last time. Oh, so cool. Let's go. First stop. Oh. First stop is the Lago Maggiore. What a view! Amazing. Ah, look at the ocean. Awesome. Come on, look at the houses. What a cute town. Finally, some shade. Man, I was driving in the sun for ages. Just straight road in the sun. Yeah, still on my way to Lago Maggiore. Oh yeah, I can see the Alps. Look at that. Lago d'Orta or something like that. It's a small lake. I think it starts raining. No, please. Lago Maggiore. We're driving now 40 kilometers along the lake.
This is how huge the lake is. Crazy. I was here 2 years ago. Exactly 2 years ago. Drove by here on my birthday. But I'm not sure if I was in this area or on the other side. I think I was on this side. I'm not sure. Anyways, it's a really nice place to hang out. Cool! Man, those churches, I really like them. Oh yeah, unfortunately it's too windy to drone. That sucks a bit. Anyways, what a view! Cool. Man, this lake just never ends. So long. Well, what a cool road to ride. It's super windy. That sucks a bit. But luckily there's no rain. Whoa, so cool, so cool. Whoa! Fuck! God, it's a real storm now. Awesome view. Oh, imagine living here in a house like that. Wow. This is the border now. Goodbye, Italia. We're entering Switzerland. Always no problem. Alright, that is now the Swiss part of the lake. So the campsite I'm staying in, close to Locarno. It's supposed to be very cool and not too crazy expensive. Let's hope for the best. What a stunning scenery. So cool. Slowest train ever. Three minutes to the campground. The area looks promising. What it's called, Picolo Paradiso. Little paradise. Oh, alright. Let's see about that. Got me a spot. It is a bit more expensive here. Oh, that's alright. It is Switzerland after all. So yeah, let's see where I can pitch my tent. 261, I think. Park the bike here, and we'll set my camp up over there. Hi. Ach was, cool. Okay, so I just set up and then it started to rain. So lucky I made it here. And everything is in the dry. And bike is covered. And yeah, let's hope it stops pretty soon. I have no Wi-Fi connection here. It sucks a bit, but I can still work on some videos. See ya.